If you are new to TikTok and don't know how to upload your first video, don't worry. It's a very simple process, and in this video I'll show you step by step how to do it from scratch. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the camera. Here you have two options. You can record a video on the spot by pressing the red button, or you can upload one you already have by tapping on Upload from your gallery. After selecting or recording your video, tap Next. Now you'll enter the editing screen. Here you can add music, text, effects, filters, or trim the video however you like. When you're done, tap Next again. On this screen, you can write your video description, add hashtags, tag people, and choose who can see your video, such as public, friends, or private. Before posting, you can also enable options like upload in high quality or allow comments. When everything is ready, simply tap the Post button. And that's it, your video will be published on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.